called Ram and his beautiful wife called Sita. One day, his father, because one of his stepmother wanted him to send Rama to exile in a forest. She wanted him to send Ram along with Sita to the forest. So, Raja Dashrath, King Dashrath, sent his son Ram to forest for 14 years. Oh my God. And so Ram along with his wife Sita went to the forest, and with them his beloved brother Lakshman accompanied them. Okay, so now Ram, Sita and Lakshman went to the forest for 14 years. They lived very nicely over there for around 13 years. 13 years they were happy. They helped all the family and friends. They made lot of friends. Those were animals over there. They helped them. Okay, in 13 years they lived very happily. But once in the 14th year, what happened? Once Ram and Lakshman had gone behind a beautiful deer for hunting, and when they were gone, a demon king called Ravana. He kidnapped Sita and he took her to his kingdom called Lanka.
Yeah, Hanuman will save her.
Oh, that comes later. Let's go step by step. But now Rama and Lakshmana comes back and finds.
Why are you coming in the late? Sita!
They came late, right? They came late and they saw, oh, where is Sita, my wife? Where is my wife? Lakshman, where is my wife? I can't find her. Lakshman says, oh my God, I think there is something wrong that has happened here. Let's go
Hanuman will save Sita, he'll fly.
Okay, but Hanuman is not here still.
He's
Yeah, when Ram and Lakshman went into the forest. They went in the forest to look out for Sita. They couldn't find Sita anywhere, but they found few bears and monkeys. And among them there was a monkey named This time they also met Sugriv, but they met Hanuman. Hanuman was a follower of Ram. He had promised and he had vowed that I will do service of Ram. Okay? Now Hanuman was not an ordinary monkey. He could he could fly over the mountain. He could change his shape. He could he can become big giant Hanuman. He had a superhuman power, and he could leap over the ocean in just one stride, just one jump and go over the ocean. He was so powerful. So obviously, Ram will send Hanuman to find Sita. Now, Hanuman found Sita. Where was she? She was in a beautiful garden where Ravana had kept her. Okay? She was imprisoned in this beautiful garden of Ravana. When Hanuman met Sita, he told her that take this ring. See, he is giving a ring. This ring has been given by your husband Rama, Lord Rama, and he will be coming soon to rescue you. Okay, and then they start crossing the ocean. The monkeys, all the monkey soldiers start building a bridge so that Ram and Lakshman along with their army can go across the ocean to Lanka. And then the war started. The army of monkeys and bears fought the demon soldiers and fought and fought and fought. And who won?
The monkey.
The monkeys. The army of monkeys won. And finally came Ravana.
Rama. He
Ravan.
killed Ravana
Yes.
with his weapon. He did
Ravana.
like this and then he put an arrow like this. He had to make Ravana
Then
will
came-
get away.
Okay. Then Ravana and Rama started fighting. Then, but Rama could not fight him because Ravana was not being killed. So many bows and arrows and so many things he put, but Ravana was not getting killed. See, he's laughing. Then Ravana's brother told Rama that shot an arrow in his navel, in his tummy here, because he will get killed. Okay? So Rama thought, and he got the most powerful arrow and he shot it on his
Chest.
tummy.
And he was being killed.
Yeah, and he got killed. And then Sita and Rama united again. Okay. Now after that, it was the end of their exile. The 14 years ended. And finally, they were going back to Ayodhya. And this is when they were going back to Ayodhya, they lit up all the streets with flowers and lights. Okay? And this day is called as Diwali. Okay? This day when Ram, Sita and Lakshman came back to their kingdom after 14 years is the reason why we celebrate Diwali. Alright? So you know now why we celebrate Diwali? Yes. Good. So you enjoyed? Enjoyed the story? Now how do we celebrate Diwali? See, we have offices and streets and cities and homes in India. They lit up with flowers, lights and colorful rangolis. And they also burn the firecrackers. So that is how they celebrate the homecoming of Ram, Sita and Lakshman. Okay?
Dicho.
Is there another story?
Another one that you wanted also?
No,
This is it? Okay. I think this is the beginning.
How do we celebrate the Diwali? How do we celebrate Diwali? See, Diwali means Diwali means the lights, and this is the diyas. We call these diyas. Okay, we lit these diyas during Diwali. Okay, so why? Because it symbolizes knowledge, which destroys the negative things in us. Okay, we believe that diyas destroy negative thing in us. Okay. On Diwali, we all go to temple to worship God and pray for the well-being of our family and friends. Okay.
For peace.
We also put a colorful rangoli to greet our guest. These are colorful rangolis that we normally put near our door, near our entrance. Yes. We make sweets and we eat lot of sweets that day. We also have good food. We share the food with our family and friends. We wear new clothes to welcome Goddess Lakshmi. We believe that Goddess Lakshmi comes home that day. So we wear new clothes, lit up diyas and lights everywhere. Then we celebrate by having dance celebrations on Diwali. We also light up the firecrackers on Diwali. So basically Diwali is all about having fun, family, food, festivity. Alright? And what we are going to do today is the most important part of Diwali, the lanterns. We are going to make these lanterns today. So you excited? Another story. Now it's time to.
Yes, we're going to go downstairs to the cafeteria, Miss